Shenzhen GSL Energy Company Limited is a lithium tech innovative lithium iron phosphate battery company here in Shenzhen. GSL Energy advanced 48 voltage wall-mounted lithium iron phosphate batteries are not only super light and easy to plug and play, but also support charge and discharge 200 amp power to meet 48 voltage all-off-grid solar inverters and hybrid on-off-grid solar inverters in the world. To meet fast delivery on time in 3 to 5 days, GSL Energy always keep each battery model like 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, and 14.33 kilowatt in stock for over 20 pieces inside warehouse. With hard-working GSL engineering team, GSL to 1500 voltage DC Smart BMS are developed on wall-mounted lithium-ion batteries to match all hybrid solar inverters like Deya, Solis, Goodwe, SoFar Solar, and Growatt. GSL Energy experienced international sales teams work for 24 hours to reply all the clients from different countries and offered just-on-time related consult selling service, letting all the people to use affordable and economical rechargeable lithium-ion battery energy storage products is always what GSL Energy is striving for these years. At present, GSL Energy wall-mounted 24 voltage, 48 voltage lithium iron phosphate battery are sold to over 80 countries and gain more high-end clients' orders all the time.